Hi, I'm Madison, here with you today live on planet Zerx. We have found orbiting the shorted starburst a month ago.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm going to show you this planet's ecology.
And I'm Kristina. And we have very many abiotic factors and biotic factors here to show you today. So let me show you around the ecosystem of planet Zerx.
One of the many abiotic factors is this rock here. It is called the speckled rock because it's made up of many minerals.
These tiny roots are connected to these trees called periscopic trees. These periscopic trees are consumers because they take the sun's light, which is a producer, and they transfer them to these tinier roots.
What are these red things, you may be wondering, that you have seen in our last clip? Well, this is a trump, which is predator to the pre-trump, which is its prey. The trump is the pre-trumps that won't be able to live, which is a main niche in this habitat because it keeps the population of this species down. This is a symbiotic creature because it has no purpose in its organism, and it also provides no competition.
This symbiotic creature gets attached to the trump, and then it becomes parasitism.
This is an example of mutualism because the Gurch cleans the Gorgon, and the Gorgon gets clean, and the Gurch gets fed. This is an example of commensalism because the Lorn eats off of the Gorgon, but as it's eating, it pokes the Gorgon and hurts it.
This is the food chain from planet Zerx. This Gorgon gets its energy from the trump, and the trumps get energy from the pre-trumps. The pre-trumps get their energy from the sun.
This is a food web, in which all starts off with the sun, which gives its energy to the Fula. The Fula gives its energy to the pre-trumps and Balians. The Fula gets its energy from the Tarnia roots, which also gives energy to the trumps. The trumps get more energy from the pre-trumps, which all goes back to the Fula. The Periscopia tree gets energy from the Balian, which also gets energy from the Fula. In the last clip, you may have been wondering what these are. Well, this is Tarnia roots, and this is a Periscopia tree. The Tarnia roots are connected to the Periscopia tree, and together they are herbivores. They are herbivores because they get their energy from Fula. The Tarnia roots are also a decomposer because they decompose all the unwanted trash and garbage. Also, you may have been wondering what the trumps are classified as. The trumps are classified as omnivores because they get their energy from both pre-trumps and Tarnia roots. And last but certainly not least is the Gorgon. The Gorgon is new classified information, so it's not on the food web. The Gorgon is classified as a carnivore.